Welcome back to Geek Guild, guys, and in this tutorial we will be learning how to print hello world in Java, and this will be the first video of Java programming in Geek Guides. And for sure, if you want to check the other videos of ours including Python, then you can just hop into description and check all the links for every single thing that we upload in our channel including Python, and for sure every single playlist is there as well. And in this program, in this tutorial, we will be writing a code to print hello world. So yes, this is the beginner tutorial for Java, and for sure the first thing we need to do is like print hello world. Okay, that's how every single language is being learned, right? So yeah, let's do the same, and for sure we need to first make a class in Java, as it is very needed. And for sure we will name the class. Let's name it hello world. Okay, hello world, is it okay? Yep, it's totally fine. And then we will open the curly braces, and then we will write public static void main, and then in this brackets we will write string args. Okay, string args. Okay, right? Okay, so public static void main all done. Now we will write the main statement, the main line of code which helps us to print hello world. Okay, the printing statement in Java is system.out.print. Okay, the S should be capital of system. It is very important, so we will write that in caps, and then we will open the brackets, and then we will open the quotations, and then we will write hello world in here, which is very important. And yes, hello world, we need to print that. So yes, this is how you print, this is how you code in Java to print hello world. So yes, let's run this and let's see if it works or not. As you can see, hello world has been printed by the program, and yes, this is how you print hello world in Java. And this was the first video. I hope you will stick to the other videos as well. So yeah, thank you for joining in, and love from Geek Guides.